print only the unique values, not the duplicates. I want to remove the duplicates. So before that, I'll sort an array. So this is a arrays dot sort. Sort is a method which is present in arrays. So see here, util class, arrays util class. It will automatically imports arrays class. It is an inbuilt Java utility function arrays. Okay, so arrays dot sort a. Sort a is an array here. We have initialized array A, right? So it will sort the array in the increasing order 3, 4, 6, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, like this. So once it sorts an array, then I am declaring a variable int b is equal to 0 because I want to count the values, unique values. I want to count the unique values so that I can pass the length of an array here. Okay, so here I'll be counting. If it is not equal, then I'm coming into this one, I'm incrementing the b. So that b value will be passing here in the second for loop. So that's why I'm initializing the b here. So now a of b is equal to a of 0. A of 0 value. So what is the a of 0 value here? It will be 3 because the array was sorted out, right? The array will be sorted like this. So array will be sorted like this. So now the a of 0 value will be 3. Okay. So in a of b we have stored 3. Okay. Now a of b value will be b value will be is equal to 3. Okay. Now I'm writing a for loop. Okay, for int I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length. Length is a variable where we are using it for arrays to get the length of an array. Okay, so to get the length of an array, we need to use a variable length. Okay, this is a variable length. Okay, so a dot length will get the array length. Suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The length of an array is 9. So a dot length will give 9. Okay, so I plus plus if a of b is not equal to a of I. Okay, if a of b value is 3, what is the a of 0 value?
0 value, a of 0.
A
You
of
should
0
take it from the sorted array or the original.
sorted array. We need to take it to sorted array. A of 0 is 3. 3 is not equal to 3. This is wrong, right? The condition is wrong. 3 is not equal to 3.
Yes, it failed.
Fail. So it will go on increment I. So I is equal to 1 now. So A of B will be still 3 only, right? So 3 is not equal to A of 1 value 4. So what it will do, it is not equal. 3 is not equal to 4. So what happens? It will come here. It will store the value of A of
B will be 4.
yeah, A of B will be 4. Okay. So B will be incremented to 1. Okay. So then it will keep on looping it and it will store all the values and replace the values which are present in first 6 digits. So first 6 values, whatever the first because only 6 value, how many values will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These first 6 values will be replaced with these values.
The duplicate.
The duplicate values will be removed and will be stored these values, original values. So the length of b will be this one. So we are looping it here so that the length will be until it will be coming until the b length. So it will print only the first 6 values. So the last values which are duplicate will not be printed because the length of b will be the original values only. Are you getting, Aruna?
Yes, sir, I'm getting.
Yeah. So this is about duplicates, removing the duplicates and printing the original values. Okay, we have written some more programs here. Sum of an array. Here, we need to add the array value. We need to add all the values of an array and give the result. That is sum. So it is simple program. So what I'm doing, int n is equal to array dot length. I'm getting the length of an array, and for sum, to store the sum of all the values, I'm declaring in sum is equal to 0. Okay, I'm looping it here. For int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, sum is equal to sum plus array of I. Initially sum will be 0, array of 0 value will be 20. Okay, in sum it will store 20. So then it will increment array of I will be 1, array of 1 will be 30, and sum is 20. 20 plus 30, it will be 50. In sum it will store 50. So it will keep on looping until the condition fails. Then it will give the result. We are printing the value of an array after the for loop, because we want to print the final result of an array. Okay, so again, if we want to get an average of an array, if we want to get an average of array, we need to give the double or float. Double, because we'll get the value of 5.5, so we'll get the decimal number, right? So that's why we give it, but we are getting the round value as of now. I'll let you know why it is coming the round value in tomorrow's class. I didn't check it. Okay, this is average. Double average is equal to sum. We already found the sum value, sum, total sum, and sum by the length of an array. Array dot length is n, right? Sum by n, so it will give the average. Maybe we'll see what happens if you give the module. What happens if you give module? What will be the result?
You're asking which one?
Sorry,
I can't get you, sir.
if I give the module symbol, this is module symbol.
Yeah, yeah.
So if I give the module symbol, then what will be the result of this
Some
It will
sum
give
of
average.
n? It will give an average, or it will give an reminder.
Reminder.
It will give the reminder, right? So 5. So if you divide, what is the length of an array? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 5 7 7 6 are 42, 7 7 are 49, right? Remainder will be 5. If you divide by 7 with 54, then the remainder is 5, right? The same way, if you give the module, then it will give the uh, what it will give?
Average.
Average. 7. So it is rounding up the value. So don't worry about it now, rounding up. So I'll let you know. I didn't see on that. Okay, so we'll discuss some more programs today. So we need to find the if any value is present in an array. So write a program the given value is present in an array. So here, suppose if I given an array of like this, int array array is equal to 1789 2035 1899 1456. Like this, I'll be giving 2013 1459 5958. Okay, 2458 1472 2365. So like this, I'll give an array. Okay. In this array, I need to find whether this value is present or not. 1456. How you are going to write the program?
First, we have to declare the variable and then store them.
Okay, so I'll create one more class. So I'll give array contains value. So public static void main string arg. So I have declared an array like this. So suppose if you want to search an item present in the array, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to declare an item is equal to 1456. I want to check whether 1456 is present in an array. So what condition you're going to write here? What loop, what condition?
If condition, if
Sorry, condition. So before that we need to loop, right?
yeah,
For loop. For is better or for each is better?
or each is that.
For each is better. So what is for each?
For data type,
Yeah, data type. What is the data type here? What we can use any variable name. So I'll give n. Okay, and array type, array name, right? What is array name here?
money underscore type.
Underscore array. So now what will print this one?
If
It will print all the array values, right? It will print all the array values. If you write system.out.println, it will print all the array values that are present in an array, right? So now we need to write a condition to check whether the value is equal to the present value, right? While it is looping, we need to write an if condition whether this value is matching with this value. Is that right? Are you getting? Item is equal to n. We knew double is equal to when we are comparing the values. So I'm writing if condition here. I'm printing the n. So what it will do now?
you first check for that index, like
So
why are you?
is this program will gonna give the result whether it is present or not? If it is what result it will give?
If it is equal, then it will give the result 1456.
Array is present and array I'm gonna print around this program. So 1456 is present. Number is present in an array. So suppose if I give the number which is not present in an array, then I want to print that no number matches in an array. So suppose I have given something like 1457, and I want to print the number which is so I want to print like no number matches in an array. Where should I write the uh, where should I print it?
Out of the for loop.
Out of the for loop. So for loop is ending here. So I'm gonna write here system.out.println number doesn't match with an array value with array. So is it so now if I run it, so because this number is not present, so we are printing that the number doesn't match with an array. Are you clear with it? If someone asks to write a program, if the number is present or not, then you can write it like this. Okay. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll write one
Yes.
more program. Find the second largest element in an array. Write a program to find the second largest number. To find the second largest number in an array. So how you are gonna do this one?
But we have to declare the variable name and assign that array of 0.
So I'll take the same array. So I'm gonna create a new Java class, second largest number. So declaring and all okay. Can someone tell me the logic so we can write?
First we have all the for
Okay.
and check and then if condition to check whether
Do we need to sort an array first? Is it required to sort an array or not required?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, because there are no duplicates. So if
Okay.
you want, if we want to put in the order like 1456, 1458, 1472, then
Hmm.
we can sort it.
Yeah. Then it second largest number. How you're gonna get it? It's easier for us to get the second largest number if we sort it, right?
Yeah.
So that's why we're gonna sort it first. So how you're gonna sort? So I'm not importing anything right here. So arrays is a
dot sort.
built-in class, and sort is a method in that class. Okay. So we need to pass array. So see, automatically it will import the arrays, utility class arrays. Okay. Java.util.arrays. Arrays is a class, and in class there is a method sort. Okay. We need to pass a variable array name in the brackets. So it will sort the array. Then once it sorts an array, okay, we need to get the index of an array. We need the length. We need to get the length of an array. So I'll store that in index. Index is equal to what is the length of an array here?
9.
My array dot length. So, index starts with 0, right? So what I'll do, I'll minus 1, because the array starts with the index 0. So I'm storing the index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the index value will be 8 here, because the array starts with the 0th index. So that's why I'm doing in my array dot length minus 1. So I'm storing the total index of an array. Okay, I'll let you know why we are doing it. So here I'm going to use while loop. We can use for also, but it's better to go with the while. Okay, so what condition I need to write in the while?
That we have to index
Yeah, we have to check the index. Which with index with what?
my array.
Okay, so my array dot length, sorry, my array of index, right? Index is equal to my array dot
Length.
length minus 1. So what it will do here? I can give index also directly, right? Already we have declared index my array dot length minus 1, right? So what happens now here?
First it will check for my array of 0, 1, 7, 8, 9.
My array of index, what is the value of index?
1, 7, 8, 9. 0, 0 value.
0th value.
Here the index value will be 1, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, sorry, here the same, right?
My array of or we have to do the like iteration.
So my array dot length minus 1. I'll write like this. Okay, my array underscore my array index, what will be the value of this one?
Array of 0 will be 1, 7, 8, 9.
1789. What value will be this one? So it will be sorted, right? Once it is sorted, what will be the array?
It will be 1, 4,
5,
5,
456
5.
1458 1472
1, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 5, 8,
1472
1, 4, 7, 2,
1789
7, 8, 9,
1899
8, 9, 9,
2013
0, 1, 3,
2035
0, 3, 5,
2365
2, 3, 6, 5,
and 2458.
458. So what value we need to print according to the program asked?
In largest.
Second largest, right?
Okay.
So that means 2365. We need to print the value 2365. So what is the value of my array index? What is the index value here?
The first value 156.
No. What is the length of index here? My array dot length minus 1 is equal to index, right? What is
Yeah,
the
yeah.
value? What is the
Then
value of
2458, no, sir.
oh, no,
Minus
no. What is the length of index? Here we are getting the length of an array, right? Minus 1. So what will be the value here?
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
9.
and 8. So index value will be 9. So my array of 9. What is the value of my array of 9?
2458.
2458. What is the value of my array dot length minus 1?
2365.
2365.
2365. My array dot length minus 1. What is the same, right? Index. What is the my array dot length?
That is 9.
9 or 10?
9, sir.
9.
Okay. Then it will be 8 here, right?
That one.
Yeah.
Here
Here it will be 8 only.
here
But
also it will
8,
be 8.
8,
2, 4, 5, 8 only. Right?
yes.
Is equal.
Yeah, it is equal.
So now I'm gonna decrease the index. Gonna decrease the index. What happens? It is
Value.
equal. Then it will come here. Index will be reduced. Okay. So what will be the index value now?
How it is
It will go back to here. What will be the index value?
2035.
Don't tell the number.
Okay,
Okay.
sorry.
What is the index value? It will be 7, right? So my array of 7. My array of 7, 2, 3, 6, 5. What is the value of my array underscore dot length? What is the value of this one? Same 2458. Right? 2458 and 2365, it's not matching. What happens? It will come out of the loop. Then it will print. What value we need to print here?
Index.
Index, yeah. I have understood. So here I'm trying to take the index. I'm declaring a variable index int my array dot length minus 1 because the index starts with 0. So that's why I'm taking minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that index value is stored in index variable. My array of index is equal to my array dot length minus 1. So I'm decreasing the array so that only this value will be changing, but the last result of an array will be same. whatever 2458 will be the same here. Okay, 2458 will be the same, and it will be same until the loop completes out, until the loop is come out of the while, right? So only I'm decreasing the index value so that once it comes to this one, then it won't match. This is the second largest number. So that's why I'm coming out of the loop and printing. So suppose if I ask you to print the second smallest number, how you are going to do? If I ask you to print the second smallest number, have you understood this program,
It's a
Sunita garu?
Yes, Sandeep.
So now can you write a program to print the smallest number, second smallest number? How you gonna write? No idea.
Increment with +1 length.
So we need to print this value 1458.
Reverse condition of this one. My array dot length +1.
Plus one. What is the plus one value? My array dot length plus one. What value will get?
It's the array of 1, 1458. Array of 0 is 1456.
Plus one. It won't give the. What happens? My array dot length will be 10, right?
Yeah.
9. My array dot length will be 9. If you add a plus one, it is out of bound exception. It will throw an exception.
Yes, yes.
So we need to get the first value. We need to compare the first value with all.
With all.
Same here, right? We have done my array index. We are storing the index value 9, and we are comparing the last value with the last value first. Then we are decreasing this index. Okay. Then what we are doing? We are comparing with the last value with this value, because we have decreased the index. So after decreasing the index, we are getting this value 2365, and we are comparing with this value. The same thing we need to do from beginning. How you are going to do that one? Is it easy to write with while, or is it easy to write with for?
or loop.
Okay. So let's tell me what you are gonna write here for. I'm gonna use the same program. So what you're gonna write here?
Or int I equals to 0. Sorry, yeah. My underscore array dot length.
Okay. I plus plus or minus minus.
We want to decrease, no sir, minus minus.
If you decrease, what it will come?
Sorry. Then I equals to
Okay, I plus plus, right? We are coming from the index. We want to start from here only, right? And we need to increase. When it comes to second value, then it has to print. So what condition you're gonna write here?
if condition.
Okay, if
My array or my underscore array of I
I
equal to
equal to
my underscore array dot in.
you can write directly one, right? Second value only we need to get. Is it okay if I write it like this? What happens here?
It will first check for the first value.
Yeah,
I equal
first
to
I is equal to 0. Array of 0 is
145.
146. What about the value of
my array will be 145.
1458? So is it matches?
No.
So shall I come and print here outside? Any other best way we can write? It's
Or
not the
we
best
have
way
to
to write
print
like this.
not equal to.
So we don't want to pass the 1 here directly. Okay, we don't want to pass the value here. Can you do it as a homework, this one?
Yes.
Okay, do it as a homework. So I'll discuss one more program. One second. So can you write a program to copy an array by iterating the array? Write a program to copy an array by iterating the array. How you're gonna do? So I'm gonna give an array. So if you take the same array, I want to copy this array and store it in new array. How you gonna do? Do you understand what I'm asking?
Can you explain it, sir?
Copy array. So I have given an array. This is an array. I want to copy all the values of an array and store it in new underscore array. I want to store all these values in this array. I want to copy the values that are present in my underscore array into new underscore array. Understood? Hello? I have
Yeah.
understood. Nikunj?
Yes, sir.
So how you are gonna do? We need to iterate. We need to use a loop to do this. This is an array. Okay. So I want to store this array. I want to copy all these values which are present in this array and store it in a new array. So I'm gonna declare int new array. That's why my array is equal to, how you are gonna declare an array? So if I want to store some values, how you are gonna initialize an array? What is the keyword that you are gonna use to initialize the size of an array?
You are asking for new keyword.
Yeah, new keyword. So new int. So what is the size of an array? Size of this array? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So I'm gonna pass 9. So this array should accept the same number of values, right? I want to store all, I want to copy all these values and store it in this array. So this array should have the same size, right? Then only I can store all these values in this array. So that's why I'm going to declare an array, new array with the same size. Okay, now I'm gonna write a for loop. What you are gonna do in the for loop?
I equals to 0.
Okay,
That is the letter.
int I is equal to 0, I less than
I less than my array underscore, sorry, my underscore array dot length.
dot length I plus plus. Okay, what you're gonna write in the for loop? What statement you're gonna write in the for loop? So if you want to store the value that is present in this array to this array, what you're gonna do? How you're gonna assign? So I had told you one of the program sum, right? How you are storing the value in sum? Sum
We
is
have
equal. So the same logic we need to use. So I want to, which program copy, right? So I want to copy the value of an array into this. So how you are gonna assign the value?
new underscore my underscore array of
I
equals
equals
my underscore array.
what I need to pass I, right?
Okay.
Okay, what happens here? Can you analyze? So I is equal to 0, new my underscore array of 0, right? 0, my underscore array of 0. What is the value of array of 0? My array
7.
1789, right? So in new underscore my underscore array of 0, it will store 1789, right? Is it correct? So now I will be incremented. I will be 1, new underscore my underscore array of 1 is equal to my underscore array of 1. What is the value of my underscore array of 1? 2035. So in the 0th index, this will be stored in new array, and in the first index, it will be stored 2035. In the second index, what will be stored? 899. It will be storing all the values. My new underscore my underscore array of 0, new underscore my array of 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. It will store all the values that are present in. So once this condition fails, what we need to do? We need to come out and print the array. What array we need to print?
My sorry, new underscore my underscore array of
New underscore my array
Okay,
y.
new array. Okay, new underscore my array. So is it gonna print the total values? What is this? What is this? What is this? I have told you. The class of new array, right? So this is the class of an array, new array. So if you want to print the values, we need to use arrays dot. We need to convert it into string to string. Okay. So if you convert like this, then it will print the values. We need to use arrays dot toString method to convert into an array. So it will print the values that are present in an array. Otherwise it will print the address of an array. Okay. We need to convert it into toString, then pass the array name. So it will print the array values. You need to remember this. So you can't print directly the array.
two string concept.
Yeah, toString. It's a method which is present in an arrays class. Sorry, Arna, is that you are asking?
And what is the purpose actually? Two string, why we are using it here?
So I think I had told you for every array is an object. I told you array is an object, right?
It's
So if there is an object, there should be a class, right? If you want to create an object, there should be a class, right?
yes,
Without
sir.
class, there won't be any object. So if you print an array, it will print the if you try to print the array directly, it will print the name. It will print the class of an class of an object. So to get the objects of a class, we need to use toString here. Are, you you okay with that,
Yes.
Sunita garu?
Yes, Sandy. Yes.
ఓకే, చాలా చాలా సైలెంట్గా ఉన్నారండి మీరు.
లేదు లేదు. కొంచెం ఒక few days.
Okay, okay. So this is about this program. So try to practice it. Will so from tomorrow we are going to discuss two-dimensional and three-dimensional arrays. So with this we'll stop the programs writing here. Okay, so see you tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.